number 51. Not good. And rebound dito. Nag-phantom hoops ng fast break pass with an easy 2 points. 14 on the dribble. Lalo yung pass tapikan. And fast break pass again para kay Team. With an easy 2 points by number 26 Team. Supply nga lang. And a fast break pass to 26 with an easy lay. Supply. Here's the number 6. Cross-court pass. And basket by number 19. Or 51. Supply nga lang. And a basket by number 15. And number 6. Alley-oop pass. Here's number 26. 51. Pull-up J. Supply pa rin. And a fast break pass para dito ay number 6. Here's number 14. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's 51 for 3. 3! Ball. And passengers number 3 with an easy lay. And timeout muna. 3! Tapikan. Here's number 3. Basket yan. 18-10 ang ating score. Here's number 51 with the basket. Here's Evangelista. Ang gandang pasa nun. Basket yan. Ni Aquino. Attempt for 3. 3! Pass to lead. Evangelista, but there's a foul. Ito dito para kay Evangelista. Substitution. At sa kaliwa. Here's Team on the drive. Basket yan by number 26. Pass to Aquino for 3. 3! Pass to number 51. Oceano. Basket yan. Pass to deep. Supply nga lang. 2 points by number 26. Good. And a pass break pass to 26. Spin. Alay pa rin. Then put back by number 26. Here's number 14. With the easy layup. Lalim 10 on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Here's number 6 for 3. 3! 28 to 24 ang ating score. But here's number 15 for 3. 3! 4. That's good. Supply pa rin. Basket by jersey number 6. Seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. Basket by number 26. There's Aquino, 5 seconds. Basket para kay Aquino. 32 to 29. With a floater shot, sablay pa rin. Here's Orrata with the effort. Steal by Orrata. With the drives, basket is good. Pass to 51, 2 points. Our score is 35 to 32. Basket again by number 51. And pass to 0-0. Pass sa kanan. Fires at 3. 3! 10 for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 6 for 3. 3! And pass dito kay Castaneda. With a quick drive, basket is good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Basket. Pass sa kanan. Pass to Orrata. Basket. Pass break pass. Evangelista with a fake. Basket yan. Pasa sa kanan. Back to the Laura with a good fake. Ang ganda na. 46. Supply. Pass to 26. Basket. Pass to 26. With a drive. Supply nga lang. Nailang. Pero nandun si number 6. Laura pass to number 51. Spin. Oh, that's a rejection. It's remaining. Ready for substitution. There's Aquino. Basket yan. Baba. Two points on number 26. 50 to 47 ang ating score. Here's Orata, attempt for 3. 3 balls. Pass to Evangelista. Basket yan. Rebound by number 0. And a pass break pass dito kay number 6. Pass to 26. Basket. On the shot clock, pass to the Laura. Pass sa labas. 3 balls by number 5 in the second quarter. And here's the Laura with the J basket with a pull up. And pass to Peñalosa with a side step move. And a basket count make the side. Here's Orata, pass to the Laura. Basket. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Still by Lim. Pass to Peñalosa. Basket by number 6. Pass to Orata na agawan na lang. Here's number 26 with a finish. Basket is good. 21. Not good. Here's the passengers number 3 with a basket sa kaliwa. Back to Aquino. Here's number 51. 3. Pingan. Here's number 6. Wala pa rin. Pass to 26. Basket. 6 dribbling the ball. Pass to Orata. Ilapag na lang. Here's number 15. Basket by number 15. Here's the pass to Castaneda. 4-3. Not good, pero nandun si number 0 with a basket. Count. Basket by number 7. And a rebound to number 6. Basket by jersey number 6. 15 on the shot clock. Here's 51 for 3. 2 points na. 2 points. 2 points. Pass to Castaneda. Okay. Supply nga lang. Pass to Lim. Nakagawan nga lang ni Orata. And pass to jersey number 15. Basket. Next score. Here's number 6. Pass to 0-0. With easy 2 points. Here's number 14. Basket by number 15. In 5 seconds remaining. Basket by Castaneda. Nakagawan nga lang. And pass, break pass using the glass. Basket is good. Oh, 78. Sa kanan, here's 51. Supply pa rin. 20 seconds remaining. Here's Lim. 3 points. And sort of last quarter. Here's number 51. Basket yan. Then 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pasok Castaneda, ang gandang paso nun para dito kay Evangelista. And here's the Laura, may dalang bola, pasa sa kaliwa. 3 points by number 51. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to the Laura, basket. And shout out kay Pandro Gaya. 3 points. Castillo for 3. Not good. Tapikat. Nakuha ulit ni Lim. Basket yan. Here's the Laura. Not good. Tapikat. Nakuha pa rin ni the Laura. Basket yan. Pass to 26. Basket yan. By number 6. Jersey number 15. And passing 26 using the last basket is good. Here's Morata, step back 3. 3! Oh, kapigan. Nakuha ni Tandora. Basket yan by Tandora. Tandaan. Here's Aquino. Here's number 6. Pass sa kanan. Basket yan. 34. Pass to 0-0. Castaneda for 3. 3! 96 ang ating score with 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Tapigan. Nakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 6 using the last. Basket is good. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket. Morata. And there's a foul. And free throws dito by number 6. Basket. 6. 8. And a foul. And second free throw. Papasok kaya. Saklay pa rin! And that's another foul para dito kay number 6. Basket na. Ano ng free throw? Pass to Orata. 5 seconds. Orata for 3. Not good! In the fourth quarter, congratulations sa Phantom Hoops. What a great team.